Stop what you're doing and get ready to meet 5 life-changing Amazon kitchen gadgets that are an absolute must for your culinary ventures in 2024. Whether you're slicing, dicing, mashing, or even cutting pizza with style, these gadgets will blow your mind. Links to all the products are in the description below, so buckle up and let's dive in. Ever wish grating cheese could be quick, easy, and mess-free? Say hello to the Gito Rotary Cheese Grater. With just a few turns of the handle, you can shred cheese 12 times faster than traditional graters. This beauty isn't just for cheese. It can handle nuts, vegetables, and even cookies for your recipes. Its food-grade ABS material ensures safety, and the stainless steel blades will never rust. Plus, it's so easy to clean. Just rinse under water or pop it in the dishwasher. Available in multiple colors, this gadget is as stylish as it is functional. What are you waiting for? Freshly grated cheese is now within your reach. Tired of lumpy mashed potatoes? The Priority Chef Potato Ricer has got you covered. This heavy-duty stainless steel tool transforms potatoes into creamy, fluffy perfection with just a squeeze. With its large 15 ounces basket and anti-slip cushion handles, it makes food prep effortless. But wait, it's not just for potatoes. Use it for carrots, yams, or even to make baby food. Cleaning? A breeze. Its non-stick, rust-proof design ensures quick and easy maintenance. If you're serious about smooth and creamy, this ricer is your new best friend. Who says kitchen tools can't be fun? The Bicycle Pizza Cutter combines utility with a quirky, lifelike bike design. Its dual stainless steel blades make cutting through even the thickest pizza crust a breeze. Whether it's deep dish or classic margarita, this cutter has got your back. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. It even comes with a stand for display. Looking for a unique gift or a conversation starter at your next pizza night? This gadget is your answer. Ride into pizza heaven with the coolest slicer around. Say goodbye to tedious chopping with the OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. Whether you're prepping onions, peppers, or fruits, this gadget ensures even, precise cuts every time. Its soft, non-slip grip handle makes it easy on your hands, while the stainless steel blades handle the hard work. With a handy built-in container, you can chop and store in one go. The best part? Cleaning is a snap, just rinse, and you're good to go. Revolutionize your cooking game with this kitchen lifesaver. Calling all pasta enthusiasts. The Entree 3-in-1 Pasta Maker transforms your KitchenAid stand mixer into a pasta powerhouse. Roll out sheets of dough, cut perfect spaghetti, or create delicious ravioli all with one attachment. Choose from 8 thickness levels for custom pasta every time. Made from stainless steel, this gadget is built to last. Want to wow your guests with fresh homemade pasta? This is the gadget for you. With its sleek design and incredible functionality, your kitchen will never be the same. And that's a wrap on today's top 5 Amazon kitchen gadgets that will transform your cooking experience. From shredding cheese to perfecting mashed potatoes and creating fresh pasta, these tools are here to make your time in the kitchen faster, easier, and a whole lot more fun. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab yours today.